Hi, my name is Dave Heitman. I'm the Dean of Students here at William Jessup University, and we are in the Student Union, a place where students can connect with friends, faculty, and staff.
I am a recent alumna from William Jessup University. I remember having plenty of conversations here where we would talk for hours about God and have great conversations that lasted well into the night.
So over here we want to incorporate more of a stage just so students can have open mic nights. They can have chapel worship type sessions here, a lot of tables, a barbecue pit. We would like to have some benches out here to where people can put their stuff and watch their friends as they play.
We actually had a foundation come to the table and offer a matching grant of $150,000 that we are wanting to raise. Please consider being part of this important student project. Thanks.